Hello. In recent time, I've noticed some of our parents, as I'm discussing with our African community that are in diaspora. I noticed some of our parents try to 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 isolate their children from the African community. They always want to make their children to be friends with the white, ignoring their fellow Africans. This is a poor mindset, is a weak mindset. Let me tell you, there's nobody that will love you like yours. There's nobody that will embrace you like your African community. I must tell you this. I must tell you. So it is wrong. It is mentally wrong for you as a parent to tell your children that they should not associate with their fellow Africans. I'm not telling you to force them to associate. You should, rather than do that, teach them that they should choose their friends, but not giving them this mindset like Africans are wrong people. And you are also an Africa. Sometimes most parents that did these things are parents that are not well educated. Because if you are exposed positively, you should know that the first point of loyalty should be your people. I understand there are some persons that are not good to associate with, but you should not teach your children to have that feeling that Africans, they should not make friends with Africans. How can you be having a fellow black person in your class? You are not saying hello with him or her. It is wrong. You want to be friends with the white? You want to be or as a white, you don't want to be friends with your fellow white, you want to be black. No, you should make friends with all. It is wrong. You should associate with your people. It is very, very important. Not associating with your people does not make you better. Does not really make you better. I'm not blaming these children that are exhibiting this character. I'm blaming the parents, because this is a sign of a weaker strength from the part of the parents. Because normally a well-trained parent should know that association is a strength building factor in every community. How can you be, for example, a Bangladesh? How many Bangladeshis have you seen playing with Nigerians? Very few. But in their community, they are very strong. But today, you see some Nigerians, some Ghanaians don't want to associate with Ghanaians. They don't want to associate with their fellow Ghanaians. They don't want to. Nigerians want to associate with their fellow Nigerians. Why are you guys so stupid? I'm sorry to use this word. You guys should associate with yourself. You must associate with yourself. Don't teach your children your mediocrity mindset. Don't transfer that negativity that you are having into the life of your children. Teach your children, when they see others, let them say hello. Even if they cannot greet, let them say hello. It is important when you see a fellow black man on the road, even if you don't know the person, smile. Just smile. Even if you don't like to smile like me, just smile. Especially when you are walking with your children. It will give your children this sense of belonging. Okay, you are a black man. Even if you are carrying a passport of Germany, Italy, whatever, France, whatever, okay, relax. You are an African. And in our culture, we are trained to love ourselves. Enough of this rubbish. For 30 years, we have people in France, in Germany, and the rest of them, especially here in Italy. But we've not seen any positivity in the life of our African people. Why? Because of this bad, poor mindset. We don't have children in the bank. We don't have children in the questorias. I've seen Bangladesh at the questorias. I've seen some at the bank. Look at all the little business. They are the one running this stuff because they are united. We are not united in purpose. We are only coming online, disgracing ourselves, saying things that are not important, saying things that are not necessary. I want to beg us. I'm evangelizing to you all. We should start building a strong community where I can be father to your children. You can be father to my children. We should learn to build a strong community where we'll be looking at the next 5-10 years. We'll be seeing our children in the banks. We'll see our children at the questorias. We'll see our children contesting in political office in this land. Enough of this. If we continue like this, our children will be depending on Bangladesh children. Our children will be depending on Pakistan because they are united. We should be united as African in diaspora. Shalom. God bless you. I love you. I still remember my humble self, the calm there. Yuhi Oya Kilomi RXL. Ciao.